Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to pin a card to top of list in Trello. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to Trello and log in onto your account. So as you can see, we're currently onto a board already and a workspace on Trello. So you could see all of the list and the cards that I have here on my board. And for us to be able to pin a card onto the top of a list, so actually there is no straightforward process to do this one. So you could go ahead and manually drag each of the card in here to go ahead and have the card that you want to pin onto the top of the list. But there are other ways that you could go ahead and have them onto the top. So you could actually sort out the different cards that you have on each list. You'll just need to click onto the three dots onto the upper part of the list, and there should be an option for you to sort by. So you could use date created newest first or date created oldest first or using it alphabetically. So it will go ahead and pin the one that you choose onto this option onto the top. So for example, alphabetically, like this one, since we have the card 1, 2, and 3, it will go ahead and alphabetically arrange all of the cards that you have in here. And so it has an indicator as well that this should be onto the top of the list. You'll just have to click onto each card in here and it should go ahead and give you an option to add labels onto this. So you could add in a color just like this one and you could add in should be on top. So you'll just need to create that label. You'd also select its color and right after, you should be able to see something like this. So even though it is here at the bottom of the list, you should be able to see an indicator that this one should be onto the top of the list. Then you could go ahead and manually drag it. So as of the moment, Trello doesn't have an option to pin the card onto the top of the list automatically, but you could go ahead and try to sort out the cards that you have using those steps that I've mentioned earlier. And that is just basically it, how you pin a card to the top of a list in Trello. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.